NCERT Class 7 Chapter 1 Exercise 1.2 Question 1. Write down a pair of integers whose part A sum is -7, part B difference is -10 and part C sum is 0. So we solve the questions. The solution of part A is we have to find the sum is -7, -3 plus -4, and if we solve it we get -7. I give you two more examples. -5 plus -2 equal to -7, -1 plus -6 equal to -7. Part B, difference is -10, -40 minus -30 equal to -40 plus 30 equal to -10. Example 2, -15 minus -5 equal to -15 plus 5 equal to -10. We go to third example, -17 minus -7 equal to -17 plus 7 equal to -10. Part C, sum is 0. 10 plus -10 equal to 0. 15 plus -15 equal to 0. -30 plus 30 equal to 0. Question 2, part A, write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. So solution, part A, and the solution is -12 minus -20 equal to -12 plus 20 equal to 8. Second example is -5 minus -13 equal to -5 plus 13 equal to 8. Part B, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is -5. The first example for it is -16 plus 11 equal to 5. Second example is -18 plus 13 equal to -5. Part C, write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is -3. So first solution is -1 plus -2 equal to -1 -2 equal to -3. Second solution, -2 minus 1 equal to -3. Question 3. In a quiz, Team A scored -40, 10, 0 and Team B scored 10, 0, -40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? So our solution is score of team A equal to -40 plus 10 plus 0 equal to -30. Score of team B equal to 10 plus 0 plus -40 equal to -30. So both team scored equal points. Equal to -30. And part 2 asks us, can we say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, we can add integers in any order, and we know that this is called commutative property on addition. So we can add in any order. For commutative property, we can add integers in any order. This is the answer of second part of the question. Question 4. Fill in the blanks to make the following statement true. So we go to the solution. -5 plus -8 equal to -8 plus this blank we have to fill. So our solution is -5 plus -8 equal to -8 plus -5. So we can change the order, and this is called commutative property. Part 2. -53 plus blank equal to -53. So our solution is -53 plus 0 equal to -53. This is additive identity, and 0 is the additive identity for every integer. So -53 plus 0 equal to -53. Part 3. 17 plus blank equal to 0. So the solution for this is 17 plus within bracket -17 equal to 0, as 17 and -17 are additive inverse. So we use this property, additive inverse. Question 4. The question is 13 plus minus 12 plus blank equal to 13 plus within bracket minus 12 plus minus 7. So we fill the blank like this. 13 plus minus 12 plus within the blank we have to fill the minus 7 from the we see in right hand side. This is equal to 13 plus within bracket minus 12 plus minus 7. This is associative property. Associative property. The question is, fifth question, minus 4 plus within bracket 15 plus minus 3 equal to bracket within bracket minus 4 plus 15 bracket close plus blank. We have to fill the blank. So on seeing the right hand side we find that minus 3 is here, which we can fill in the blank. So in solution, minus 4 plus 15 plus minus 3 in the bracket equal to minus 4 plus 15 in bracket plus in the blank we have to fill minus 3. So this is our answer to question number 4. This completes this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe.